What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Jaquez, aka Fat Belly Fella, and I'm back. Y'all, this ain't no challenge. I'm just hungry and I was craving tacos, so I got 10 of them. 10 tacos, 10 steak tacos. Got my green salsa back here, my sour cream back here. Got my drink over here. I'm cool. Let's say our prayers and let's get to this food. Amen. Y'all, I was starving today. Starving. And it's late. I don't know what time it is. It's 7. And I haven't eaten all day. I have not eaten all day. So, this might be another one of them non-talking videos. Got my salsa verde. My salsa verde is the best salsa to put on tacos. The best. And some sour cream. Ooh. Ooh. Spice. Spice. Should I put the sour cream on, the salsa and sour cream on everything so I could just not be pressed for time? I think that is probably the smart thing to do. That's probably the smartest thing to do. 10 tacos. Steak tacos. My favorite. What kind of tacos do you guys like? And what kind of salsa do you guys use on your tacos? Try not to pour too much on that, but we're just gonna have to do. Oh yeah. I got 3 in the back here. Man, y'all know I'm ready to smash these tacos, I swear. I'm so hungry. So hungry. You know, I didn't always like sour cream. I thought it was like the most disgusting topping that you can put on anything. But I guess as I got older, my taste buds grew with me. And now it's a need every time I get tacos. Or whatever consists of sour cream. That's good sour cream too. I repeat, this is not a challenge. This is not a challenge. I won't be doing any challenges until somebody tag me. Tag me in and I do a challenge. But I will do that no singing challenge because one of my supporters asked me to do the singing challenge. And I will do that for you, my love. Oh, come on. I'm ready to eat. I ain't got enough. I wonder if I got some in the refrigerator. This is fine. This is fine. Ooh, boy. Smash, 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 smash. Okay, which one do I want to start with? Let's start over here. Look at that. Absolutely. It was stuck right there. It was stuck. I love you with all my heart. Ooh, excuse me. I'm savoring every taste. These tacos are so good. Shout out to the girl from the restaurant. She was like, I told her I wanted 12 tacos. She was like, 12? You want 12? Yeah, I do YouTube. She was like, oh, you do those eating shows, huh? Yep. Well, I want to subscribe. Me and my husband, we gonna watch and all that stuff. I don't think I got her name, but shout out to you. Oh, gosh. Everything's just perfect. Perfect. Where we at? I don't know why my videos keep coming out to be like 40 something minutes. And then when I try to edit them down a little bit, it does not work. Because some of the good parts, like most of the video are the good parts, so I can't like take everything out. So whenever I do not finish my food, just know that it's just based on the time, because I don't want to put like 40-minute videos out. I want to at least do 30 minutes at the most. So if I don't finish my food anytime, charge it to my head, not my heart. Mm. Oh gosh. That shit got me some water. I'm just checking the time, y'all. Don't think I'm being a creep. Oh, that hurts. Ugh. I need to breathe for a second. I'm eating too fast. Where I hold my breath. Um, who we at? We at, what's this at 21? Jeez. I think I'm gonna just eat this last taco guy and save the rest for later. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 left. I'll just save those for later. Eat this last one. So I cannot have these videos being no 40 minutes. That's ridiculous. Ah. That hurts. Somebody ate 6. That's good. Okay, you guys. I'm about to get up out of here. I got some things I gotta go do. And I'm going out tonight. You know, it's Saturday. Trying to, you know. You already know. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share with your people, share with everybody you know. Comment. What else is there? I said like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, hit that notification bell so you be notified every time your boy upload another video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.